Hi, I'm Rick Van Wieren from Remax Properties, and we want to give you a special tour of one of our very favorite properties, 6925 Snowmass Drive, on 6 pristine acres up here in Black Forest. 6,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, 5-car garage. This property just has everything you could ever hope for in a home. Thanks for joining us, and enjoy the tour. Some things we hope you'll take special note of on the main level here. First of all these floors are freshly refinished. The wall of windows has motorized blinds that control the light so that you can have it as light or as dark as you wish. There's amazing views out this back, with the deck also having a motorized awning so that you can get some relief from the sun in case it's a super bright sunny day. The kitchen has all brand new thick slab granite countertops, and that is also just brand new and just recently done. The layout of this main level is very, very practical because it's a main level master floor plan, but it also does have the dining room, kitchen, great room all kind of together. The master bath also has motorized blinds. There's a two-way fireplace between the master bath and the bedroom itself, and the huge walk-in closet. There's also an office here on the main level that's very easy to access, so if you work from home, you've got main level space to do that from. The laundry is on the main level, and so it's very easy coming in through the back door from the garage. There's laundry and another powder room. The upper level has a loft and 2 bedrooms that are connected by a Jack and Jill bath. So each family member or guest that would be using the upstairs kind of has the equivalent of kind of private bath access. And then the loft, of course, has beautiful views out those big windows. The walkout basement features a kitchenette, so you actually, for long-term guests or even short-term guests, you have a place where they can cook and make coffee, whatnot, store some of their own food, whatever. This could also be a perfect Airbnb setup, and again, just it has its own private outdoor living area with some great views. There's a theater room in the basement that could also be used for like a music studio or something too. And the really cool part of this house is it also has a 2-level garage, so it's actually 3 stalls wide on both levels. We have called it a 5-car garage because in the lower level it's not quite as easy to get 3 cars in there, but it would easily accommodate 2. It is a 1 car wide door on the lower level, but if you're working on cars or restoring them or whatever, it would work out perfectly. Other features we want to make sure you remember about the house: it is a dual furnace setup, central vac, air conditioning, and as we mentioned before, 6 pristine acres in D20 Black Forest, very close to Wolford Elementary School, and very close to the main roads going through Black Forest.